Konnichiwa minasan, good afternoon guys. Panoorin natin itong mga bulaklak guys. Ganda nila guys. Different kind of color. Iba-ibang kulay niya guys na bulaklak, pero isang sanga lang siya. Isang puno lang siya guys. Meron pa dito guys. Ito naman ano, yellow naman. Ganda niya talaga guys. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video guys. Thank you.